Did you know that our body starts producing less collagen from the age of 35? It's a natural part of aging, but we can do a lot to help our body. By age 50, the body is already producing about half the collagen it produced in youth. This explains some discomforts that many of us feel. Joint pain, those clicking sounds in the knees, stiffness when getting out of bed in the morning, as well as visible changes in the skin. The good news is that there are natural and accessible ways to help your body produce more collagen. It's not magic or a miraculous promise. These are simple methods based on science that can make a real difference in your quality of life. I'm going to share with you a homemade recipe that can complement your healthcare. It's something easy to prepare, with ingredients you probably already have at home or can easily find at the market. Want to know this recipe? Keep watching, I'll explain everything properly for you. But first, if you enjoy the tips we share here on the channel, go ahead and leave your like and tell me below what part of the world you're watching us from. What is collagen and why is it important for you? Collagen is the most common protein in our body. Think of it as a natural glue that keeps everything in place and firm. It's present in practically the entire body, in the skin, bones, muscles, joints, and even in blood vessels. It's essential for our body to function well and recover from injuries. When there's a lack of collagen in the body, serious health problems can arise, such as fragile bones, muscle weakness, and difficulty healing. Main benefits of collagen. 1. Skin health and rejuvenation. Collagen plays a fundamental role in maintaining skin integrity, promoting strengthening, hydration, and elasticity. When we have plenty of collagen, the skin becomes soft, smooth, and firm. It helps the skin to constantly renew itself. As the years go by, our body naturally produces less collagen. That's why the following appear: wrinkles and expression lines, thinner and sagging skin, stiffer and more painful joints. Its supplementation helps delay the aging process, preventing the appearance of wrinkles and the dryness characteristic of mature skin. This is part of natural aging, but there are ways to help your body maintain collagen for longer. At the end of the video, we'll reveal a powerful homemade recipe to help your body produce more collagen naturally. 2. Bone protection and strengthening. With advancing age, the loss of bone mineral density represents one of the main public health challenges among the elderly. Considering that bone tissue is composed of a mineral phase, calcium phosphate, and an organic phase, collagen, this protein assumes a relevant therapeutic function. Studies demonstrate that collagen contributes positively in the treatment of osteoporosis and osteoarthritis, enhancing the increase in bone mineral density, exerting a protective effect on articular cartilage, and providing symptomatic relief in painful conditions. 3. Muscle mass and strength gain. Between 1% and 10% of muscle tissue composition corresponds to collagen, an essential protein for maintaining muscle strength and promoting lean mass gain with reduction of body fat. Research published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that supplementation with collagen peptides, combined with resistance training, results in a significant increase in muscle mass and strength in men. 4. Acceleration of the healing process. Chronic wounds often do not respond to conventional therapy due to prolonged inflammatory responses, changes in protease levels, and deficiencies in the extracellular matrix. Collagen stands out as a valuable biomaterial in the development of advanced therapies for healing, proving particularly useful in difficult-to-treat cases. 5. Intestinal health recovery. Collagen acts directly in the recovery of intestinal connective tissue, preventing progressive wear of cellular junctions and maintaining the structural integrity of the digestive system. 6. Cellulite reduction. Cellulite is closely related to skin sagging, a direct consequence of collagen loss associated with aging. Supplementation of this protein combats sagging, contributing to both the prevention and treatment of cellulite. In the affected area, collagen reduces cellular inflammation and stimulates dermal metabolism, maximizing the biosynthesis of structural proteins that even out the tissue. The results become even more significant when collagen treatment is associated with regular physical activity, weight control, balanced diet, and adequate supplementation. How to increase collagen in your body? Here are some scientifically proven ways to help maintain good collagen levels. 1. Take collagen supplements. Recent studies show that taking collagen supplements every day for 3 months can reduce wrinkles, make skin more hydrated, improve skin elasticity. You can find these supplements in pharmacies, usually in powder form to mix with water or juice, or in capsules. 2. Consume vitamin C every day. Vitamin C is essential for your body to produce collagen. Without it, collagen doesn't form properly. Foods rich in vitamin C: orange, lemon and other citrus fruits, strawberry, bell pepper, broccoli. If you can't eat these fruits and vegetables frequently, talk to your doctor about taking a vitamin C supplement. 3. Try aloe vera gel. Aloe isn't just for burns. Research shows that taking aloe extract for 2 months can better hydrate the skin, decrease the depth of wrinkles, and increase collagen levels. You can use aloe cream on your skin or take it in capsules. 4. Consider ginseng. Ginseng is a traditional medicinal plant that can increase collagen in the blood. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that are good for the skin. You can consume ginseng in tea or capsules found in health food stores. 5. Eat foods rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body and help produce collagen. They are present in various healthy foods. Red fruits: strawberry, blackberry, blueberry, green tea, cinnamon, coffee, in moderation, basil, oregano, and thyme. 6. Include vitamin A in your diet. Vitamin A protects the skin and helps maintain collagen. Some creams with vitamin A can improve skin texture. Foods rich in vitamin A: carrot, pumpkin, sweet potato, spinach. 7. Protect your skin every day. This is very important. Some habits greatly damage your skin's collagen. What to do? Use sunscreen every day. Even on cloudy days, wear a hat and sunglasses when going out. Avoid cigarettes. Smoking destroys collagen. Drink plenty of water. Don't overdo the coffee. Remember, the sun is collagen's greatest enemy. Protecting your skin from sunlight is as important as any other care. Homemade recipe to help the body produce collagen. You will need chopped melon 1 cup. You can use the seeds too. Melon is full of vitamin C, which the body needs to make collagen. And the seeds? Don't throw them away. They have magnesium and zinc, great for making bones strong. Mint about 10 leaves. Besides making the juice fresh, mint helps reduce inflammation and joint pain. It also protects the skin. Unflavored gelatin 1 heaping tablespoon. This is the most important ingredient. Gelatin is pure collagen and the body absorbs it easily. Use that unflavored gelatin, without color and without sugar, the most natural one you can find. Water 200 milliliters, 1 glass. How to make? Put everything in the blender. The water, the melon with the seeds, the mint, and the gelatin. Blend well until smooth. If you want it colder, you can add ice. If you don't like the texture, you can strain it before drinking. When to drink? Ideally, drink 1 glass in the morning, preferably before breakfast. This way, the body absorbs the nutrients better. What you will feel, drinking it every day, this juice helps to relieve those joint pains, strengthen bones, give skin a better appearance, provide more energy. It's not an overnight miracle, but over time you'll feel the difference. It's worth trying, it's natural, and doesn't do any harm. Try it for a few weeks and see how you feel. It's simple to make and the ingredients are easy to find in any market. Extra tip: always keep unflavored gelatin at home. It's cheap, lasts a long time, and you can use it in other recipes too. Before starting any new supplement or treatment, talk to your doctor. They know your health history and can guide you on what's best for you. Taking care of your skin and collagen is an investment in your health and well-being. Know someone who complains about joint pain? Share this recipe with your friends and family. Health is something we share. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos. Want exclusive content? Hit join now and become a member, support the channel, and unlock perks you won't find anywhere else. And before you go, take a moment to check out these 2 recommended videos. We think you'll really enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day and keep healthy, my friends. Bye.